everyone, okay, it's me, Angel Stars 2103. Welcome to a new video. This Sparkle Pretty Lily, she said, or he, I don't know, I can't tell by the eyes, okay. Well yeah, there was a store here. I'm gonna just see around. I might like something, I don't know. I don't think I'll like anything. Maybe I like this cog, or if this ice cream is, ooh yeah, ice cream, I'm just kidding. If the ice cream is for non-members, then yeah. I already have a pink Heavy Phantom. I'm not looking forward for another one. Sorry about the noise on the computer. Sorry. That was the phone. No store at my den. Last calling. Depends what you have. I mean, now if I could get the name. Ooh. USA Stars chair. Okay, Stars chair. Not a very good store here. Could just buy this. Hold on. I don't. Oh yes. Okay. Perfect. Okay. I really wanted this. Okay. Okay. Let's see if she put that ice cream on her trade. No, she didn't. Okay. Whoa. It's a phone calling. Hold on. It's my aunt. I'm just gonna pause this real quick. Okay. I ended the call. Hold on. I don't have. Yeah. Hold on. I'm trying to get this ice cream. Hopefully she put it on trade. Not sure if she did. Hopefully she did. Yeah. Okay. I don't think there's anything else I would want here. If there would be, I would. Yeah. Never mind. Okay. Let's check. Hopefully. And it's for members. Okay. I don't want this cog. I thought it was rude of me to do that. So sorry. Okay. Jam session on party time. Okay. Anyways, this video is on a giveaway. Okay. So this giveaway is, okay, what I'm putting on my giveaway is this green snake throne. Hold on. It's this green snake throne. Yeah. Sit on it, shall we? Okay, so yeah, this green snake throne is that I'm planning to give on a giveaway. Though you have to, if I have at least 2 or 4 subscribers by, what day is it today? It is Friday. Okay, if I get 2 or 4 subscribers by, Tuesday, then I will be doing the giveaway. But if I don't, then sadly I won't. So you must subscribe so the giveaway can start. And yeah, that's it. Yeah. Once the giveaway starts, what you have to do to get the green snake throne is that you have to do. Okay. I'm so sorry. I'm clueless right now. Hold on. Wait. Okay. I'm so clueless right now. Hold on. I'm just gonna pause the video so you won't get bored. Okay, I'm back, and so the giveaway, what you have to do to earn the green snake throne is that you have to comment down below and tell me, well, not tell me, just send me a picture of your den, like your best picture of your den, that's it. And there's a rule to it, because if a member enters it, you know how you can buy dens, different dens, so your den must be the small house. Yeah, the regular den. It must be the regular den, because then if it's a bigger den, then I'm not gonna pick you. Or what I mean about bigger den, as in a different den. Yeah, that's it for today. Yeah, okay, I hope this will be the last video. If not, then I may do another video on a game I like to play. Yeah, okay, that's it for today. Bye, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. 2 or 4 subscribers by next Tuesday, then the giveaway will start. Thanks, and good luck to you all. Bye.